And the best R&B album is... Oh, I'm such a big fan. Erykah Badu.
Woo! All right. You know, I represent the artists who are often unheard. And this is for us. Amir, you see this? I'd like to thank Kedar Entertainment, Universal, my dream team, Tim Grace, Gia Grace, Ward White, Big Mike, Vernon Brown, Kara Lewis, everybody who helped this album happen. My mom, my son, George Clinton, Stevie Wonder, everybody. Thank you, and I would like to thank the Creator for giving me this gift. Thank my fans. Please. Thank you.